In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make money online in the UK, give you 5 things I've been doing over the last few months that I've been making money with and living the so-called laptop lifestyle. Not only am I going to show you these 5 things and how you can get started doing them, but I'm also going to show you how much money I've made doing them myself. Hi, welcome back to the channel, and if you're new here, my name's Chris, and on this channel I like to talk about making money online and generally how to be smarter with your money. Before we get into the video, I just wanted to mention that a lot of YouTube videos actually show you some huge earning figures and sort of working on a laptop on a beach, and I'm just going to give it to you honestly that it's not that easy. It is a lot of work. But of course, if you're willing to put work into this, then you are going to be able to get the rewards and make money doing it. And no, sadly, you won't be doing this working on a beach unless you live somewhere like Brighton. I also want to quickly mention that none of the figures of money that I've earned in this video are going to be crazy. So if you're looking for some video just to watch and it's maybe putting unrealistic claims in there that they've not actually earned themselves, this isn't the video for you. This is a genuine video showing you what I've earned doing these things and how you can do it yourself. So out of these 5 things you can do, we're going to start at number 5 and then count down to number 1. Number 5 being the one that I've earned the least amount of money with, and then number 1 of course being the one I've managed to earn the most amount of money with so far. On the laptop then, number 5 is going to be becoming a freelancer. So as we're going to do with all of these 5 different methods, I want to talk to you about how it makes money, how you can start doing it yourself, and then how much I've made from it. So freelancing it makes money by you providing a service to someone online, and it might be a skill that you have. So say you're a graphic designer, you can sign up to this website called Fiverr, which I'm surprised that a lot of people haven't actually heard of this website. But I'll leave links to everything that I mentioned in the video down in the description anyway. But many people haven't heard of Fiverr, and it got its name because it originally started out where you would offer a service for $5. That's changed now. You can offer your services for much more. So that's how it works. Now, the way I've made money doing it is I've actually set up a gig here because I have a skill of being able to rank YouTube videos high up in search results for keywords. So I thought, well, if I can do that, why not provide that as a service to someone else that maybe is struggling with that? Now, this is an ad that I put up on Fiverr, and there's just a short video of me explaining what you get from my service, and then there's a couple of pictures there with, just advertising it, and then there's a description, what it is. Let me help with thumbnails or SEO on YouTube. And this is something that I started off a few months ago actually, and basically put the price as £19, and you can have one video fully optimized for your YouTube channel. And I wasn't getting any purchases or anything, but then as you can see here, I've now got 1 5-star review, and what I'm hoping now will happen is more and more people will see that I've provided a good service, and you can get started doing this for yourself if you just think, what have you got as a skill that you can provide for someone? And just think of it, how can you help people? Going over to my earnings for that, so to show you how much money I've earned from that. Of course, with just the one sale optimizing one video, it's £18.97. So that's $20 there that I've earned from that. And that money's still waiting to be cleared to where I can withdraw it. This is why I wanted to tell you at the start of the video, there won't be any huge earnings claims here, because I've only just started doing these things myself, but I'm showing you that it's definitely possible to earn money doing these things and how you can get started. And maybe in 6 months' time, I'll do another video on this and show you how much I've earned from doing this in 6 months. Moving on then to number 4, we're going to talk about starting your own YouTube channel. So the way you can make money from that, if you don't know already, is when someone views your videos, you actually earn a cut of any money that the companies and advertisers have spent on those adverts. The way you can start doing that yourself is, of course, have a good idea of what you want to talk about on YouTube. For example, I actually started another channel which was all about cars, since cars are my massive passion. And let me just show you here on the laptop that I made this video which basically was taking different clips of a very popular car right now, which is the Toyota GR Yaris. I found some clips of some companies that are making a car exhaust for that car, and I put a review video together. So I sort of showed people, this is what this exhaust sounds like, this is how much it costs, here's where you get it from, these are the features. And now that took me a lot of work. That took me about 2 days to make that video. And as you can see from the analytics here in YouTube, so far it's had 33,000 views and it's earned £52.47. Now £52.47 for 2 days work is obviously not that much money, but again, it comes down to the more effort you put into these videos. And when the UK comes out of lockdown, I plan to make more car videos and get out on the road and make really cool, interesting videos for this channel. And as I can add more and more content to that channel will then build and build. It currently has nearly 3,000 subscribers from a few other videos I've done on there as well, but that will grow and grow. So in order to get that YouTube channel of your own going, then definitely think about what you're passionate about and what people would want to see, and just start creating content for it, putting it on YouTube, and then just building it and getting it snowballing. And as soon as you start working on it and it builds out of control, you're soon going to start to see a really nice amount of income each month from it. The number 3 method that I use to make money online and live that laptop lifestyle is something called affiliate marketing. And affiliate marketing is simply finding a company that has an affiliate program which they pay you a commission for when you recommend people to their business, and then finding the people that would benefit from using that business. A great example here on the laptop for a video I actually did on this very channel. So one video that I made where I sort of showed my viewers and subscribers, which by the way, if you watch that video and you click this link, then thank you. Obviously that helped people out, because if you watch this video here, that actually is the video I'm talking about. But that one video so far, so 798 people clicked on the link in the description, as you can see here. 140 people signed up, which means there's a potential of £1,190 there. But only 38 out of those 140 actually carried on using the site, which is what you need in order to make the money. So I've actually earned, so there's a potential £1,200 there, but I've actually earned £302.50 from everyone that clicked that link in that video description, signed up to the site. And that's what I mean about finding a site and then solving a problem for your viewers. So the number 2 thing I want to talk to you about for making money online, and I know I said in the UK, but of course this can be done anywhere in the world, is actually teaching online. How you can make money with that is really straightforward. You have a skill or something of some knowledge that you have that you want to put out and teach to others, and then they're just going to pay you a fee to then learn that skill from you. And by doing that, they're then going to get to accelerate their learning and be able to start putting those practices that you're teaching into practice for themselves much quicker. The way you can earn money doing that yourself is, again, just think of what skills do you have? What could you share with other people that they would be interested in? How much could you charge for that? How valuable is that skill that you've got? And an example of what I do for my sort of subscribers that want to pay a bit extra, which this is actually connected to the number 1 thing I've done online to make money. But over on Patreon, I've actually got a page. As you can see here on the main dashboard, it says 341 active patrons, and then earnings per month. So that's a payment that you would then get every month is £850, or around $1,000 if you're watching this and you're in America. Finally, we're down to number 1, and that's going to be something called match betting, which the regulars of the channel know that that's something I talk a lot about here on the channel. And the way you make money from that is simply taking advantage of the free money offers that bookmakers are giving out. You bet on every outcome so that no matter what, you can't lose, and you just guarantee that you take the free money. That's, of course, what I was relating back to from number 2, where I actually teach that. So it's something that I've been doing for 26 months now. And as you can see here on the laptop, I've actually earned, it says £25,500. It was actually more like over 26,000 because I never registered, I never inputted my profits when I first started. So on average per month, I've been averaging £1,000 profit. And because it's technically classed as gambling, even though it's not, it's risk-free, but the government and the taxman see it as gambling, they don't actually charge you any tax on that, so it's completely tax-free earnings. The way you can get started with that is check out the Profit Boss website, which I'll leave a link in the description. It has your very first offer there, how you can get started doing it. And then of course, there's a Profit Boss Match Betting Facebook group with over 1,000 members now, with everyone helping each other out on how to get started. You can also watch this video I did where I show you how you can get started, starting with zero money. So really do check that out if this is something that might be of interest to you. That's going to do it for this video then. If you found it helpful, I really appreciate you pressing the like button below. Go on, you know you want to. It only takes 1 second and it is completely free for you to do. Press the like button, it helps YouTube rank the video higher. And as usual, thank you very much for watching then, and I'll see you in the next one.